Hey there, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to verify your identity on Venmo. But before we get into that, let's talk about why you might want to verify your identity. Why verify your identity on Venmo? There are a few reasons why you might want to verify your identity on Venmo. One reason is to increase your account limits. When you verify your identity, you can send and receive larger amounts of money. Another reason is to increase your security. When you verify your identity, Venmo can better protect your account from fraud. How to verify your identity on Venmo. Now that we know why we might want to verify our identity, let's talk about how to do it. Open the Venmo app and sign into your account. Tap on the Settings tab. Tap on Personal Information. Tap on Verify Your Identity. Enter your full name, date of birth, and social security number. Tap on Submit. You will need to verify your identity by providing a photo of your driver's license or passport. Once you have verified your identity, you will be able to send and receive larger amounts of money. Here are a few additional tips for verifying your identity on Venmo. Make sure that the photo you submit is clear and in focus. Make sure that your driver's license or passport is valid. If you have any trouble verifying your identity, you can contact Venmo customer support. Verifying your identity on Venmo is a simple process that can help you increase your account limits and security. If you're looking to send or receive larger amounts of money on Venmo, I recommend verifying your identity. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance. I would also like to add a call to action to the end of the script. This could be something like, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance. Follow me on social media for updates on my latest content. Here is a revised outro that includes a call to action. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance. I would also like to encourage you to follow me on social media for updates on my latest content. You can find me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Thanks again for watching.